My computer is slowing down. Suddenly. My computer suddenly started to slow down one day? Let's check the 5 checks and solve the problem. 1. Hardware aging. The physical components of a computer can degrade over time, just like any other machine. For example, hard drives, which store all your data, can become slower as they age. This is due to fragmentation, where files get scattered all over the disk, and bad sectors, parts of the disk that can no longer be reliably used. Regularly defragmenting your hard drive can help, as it reorganizes files so they're stored in a more orderly fashion. Similarly, keeping your computer physically clean can prevent overheating, which can cause components to work less efficiently or even fail. Make sure your computer's fans are free of dust and that it's in a well-ventilated location. 2. Software accumulation. Over time, you may install many different software applications on your computer. Some of these applications run in the background, even when not actively in use, consuming processing power and memory. Each application also takes up space on your hard drive, which can slow things down if it becomes too full. Additionally, some applications come bundled with extra software or toolbars, which can clutter your system and slow it down. Regularly reviewing the software installed on your computer and uninstalling anything you no longer need can help keep your system running smoothly. 3. Malware. Malicious software, or malware, can be a significant cause of a slow computer. Viruses, spyware, and other types of malware can consume system resources, slowing down your computer. They can also compromise your security, stealing sensitive information or damaging your files. Regularly scanning your computer for malware using a reputable security application can help keep your system secure and running smoothly. 4. Lack of storage. Computers need a certain amount of free space on their hard drives to function optimally. This is because they use part of the hard drive as virtual memory, a space where they can temporarily store data that doesn't fit in the computer's RAM. If your hard drive is too full, this can slow things down. Regularly cleaning out old, unnecessary files can help maintain enough free space for your computer to work effectively. You might also consider moving rarely used files to an external hard drive or a cloud storage service. 5. Memory leaks. A memory leak is a specific type of programming bug that can cause an application to gradually consume more and more of your computer's memory, slowing down the system. This is especially problematic if your computer doesn't have much RAM to begin with. Regularly restarting your computer can help mitigate this issue, as it clears out the memory and gives your system a fresh start. Operating systems like Windows or macOS frequently release updates. These updates often come with new features, but those features might require more processing power or memory to run effectively. If your computer's hardware isn't up to the task, this can slow things down. To counteract this, it can be helpful to upgrade your hardware periodically, adding more memory or swapping out an old hard drive for a faster solid-state drive, for example. In conclusion, maintaining a computer system's performance requires regular maintenance and vigilance. This includes keeping the hardware clean and well-maintained, regularly reviewing and updating the software, maintaining good security practices, and ensuring there is adequate free storage space. Maintaining a computer's performance requires a mix of regular maintenance, good security practices, and occasionally upgrading your hardware. Even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, many of these tasks are fairly straightforward and can make a big difference in keeping your computer running smoothly. Thanks for watching.